Texian Geospatial and Texas Drone Picks partnered together to provide weekly drone images and also monthly orthomosaic flights of LaCima. So this makes it very easy to orient yourself within the area and check on key areas that you're trying to monitor. We use the EOS Arrow Gold to collect ground control points. This is just a great setup to have because everything works with ArcGIS products. So collector feeds all your points straight to ArcGIS Online, and from there you can bring them into Drone to Map when it comes time to process your imagery.
Accessing the software from any device using the software is quite simple. It's not just benefiting us, but we also are able to help benefit the local municipalities with the information that we have.